shit. It's raining. Ah! Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your own at-home dumbbells. Hi, this is me, Bonnie. I didn't want to spend $800,000 for adjustable dumbbells and then wait 2 months to get them, so I decided there has to be another way to create alternative dumbbells. I looked into gallons of water. They weigh about 8 pounds only. Tide bottles, they still were not heavy enough, so I thought, what about bigger gallons of water, right? So here I have 2 3-gallon jugs. And then I thought, what can I fill them with? I have here 2 bags of 80 pounds each of cement, concrete. And it turns out that I did my research. Concrete, wet or dry, weighs the same, so that's great, so I don't need to actually mix any cement here. 1 gallon of water is about 20 pounds if you fill it with concrete. 3 gallons is about 60 pounds, so I figured 60-pound dumbbells is not too bad. I do that with walking lunges. And 5 gallons, I thought, you know, it just wouldn't be practical because it'd be so clumsy, and that would be 100 pounds, which is, it's just not versatile enough. So let's make some dumbbells. Don't know how this is going to turn out. I created a little funnel here out of junk mail and taped it all up. I'm not even sure how I'm going to pick this up, to be honest, so I did bring a little bowl to hopefully get this to be not so heavy. Okay, you know what? I am just going to pull this over here. Oh, and after all this, I am really excited to share that I've developed a full workout program where I feel it can actually challenge my muscles enough, and I will be able to keep my muscles during this quarantine period. So I'm very excited to share that. So there is like little pieces of rock in there. This is what it looks like. I'm also glad I'm wearing sunglasses for eye protection. Oh man, so this is going to take a while. I really want to just pour it. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh my god. All right, here we go. Oh, it's working. It's getting stuck. This is such a challenge. So each one should be able to fill 60 pounds. So there's still a lot to go. And then for the rest, I'm gonna buy 2 1-gallons. So I'm gonna have 2 20-pound dumbbells. Oh, okay, this is messy. Should have wore really crappy clothes for this. Man, that's only like 1/3 of the way through. Oh, you know what it is? I need to tape this funnel up better. It's leaking. Okay, this is like a workout in itself, guys. Oh shit, oh shit. Starting to wonder if it's easier to just use this. Hopefully these handles don't break. Okay. Whew. All right, I am done. I am gonna be so excited to start using these. These are about 47.5 pounds each.
I filled them up more and they're actually 57.5 pounds.
Lunges. Ooh, okay, this is actually pretty good. I like it. These are good for lunges. And good for bent over deadlifts. Ooh, 1-arm rows. Oh my god, I'm loving it. Yeah! So stay tuned. My upcoming videos, I'm going to show you an entire workout with my 4 homemade dumbbells and other equipment that I have. And hope you guys are staying safe, sane. You can keep your muscle wall during quarantine. You just have to be creative and be like MacGyver. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. If you're sick of feeling stuck with all the diets out there, busting your butt in the gym, and things still not panning out, not really getting the results you want, then I have some good news. I'm hosting a free online training that's going to help you discover the single biggest mistake that gym goers are making that cause every diet to end in failure. How to eat foods you love without feeling guilty or miserable and still get results. And the simple mindset hack that a lot of celebrities and TV stars use year-round to get results, and a lot more. It's going to be called Secrets to Get a Confident Toned Body and Live a Powerful, Healthy Life Without Crazy Dieting or Feeling Deprived. So to learn more on RSVP, simply go to www.eatnotdiet.com/early access.